Alright, what we have here is a Mighty Mule 371 gate opener with the wireless keypads. I just went and bought a brand new keypad because the other one seemed to be faulty. This one appears to work at this distance and further until you mount it to the pole. As soon as you mount it to the pole, it will not work when you put the second screw in. Gate is opening. Gate stopped. Mount it to the pole. Gate will close. Gate will stop. Now I'm going to put the bottom screw in. Which I have put duct tape on and behind it, thinking maybe something is causing a different deal. Still kind of loose, so it's not over tightened. Nothing. Gate will not move. If someone has any answers to this, please feel free to let me know. Let's take this back off. Nothing. Take it all the way off. And there goes the gate.